by this time you guys would have known that Route 53 sits on top of your regions. It's not region specific. Okay. Now say for example, let's take an instance where you have a load balancer. Okay. You do not have a load balancer. Only EC2 instance is mapped to your. You get a DNS endpoint. You map it to Route 53. You can do that also, right? I will show that. So if your instance goes down, then what happens? There is an impact, correct? So we came to load balancer. So load balancer takes care of routing the traffic to the live instances, or it balances the traffic. Okay. Now suppose in load balancer also my all instances goes down. Then what? Then we can add another layer of auto scaling. So your instance will not, even if anything is going down, you can other instance can come up automatically. Now the moment, the time when one instance is going down and another instance is coming up, there will be little latency in the traffic. When in real time production you cannot actually have that. So what I can do is I can use Route 53. I can have one setup completely in India, so Mumbai, and another setup completely in another region. So moment this guy feels this guy is going down, automatically it failures to another region. Okay, so we are going to see that. Okay, plus now I am going to tell you weighted routing policies. So what is weighted routing policies? Now, so for example, you have added some new features to your website. You want added new features to your application. Okay, you want to test that. Okay, so you want to route 80% of your traffic to your normal load balancer, what is going on, and 20% to your new one to test it. Okay, that is the use case for that weighted routing policy. Okay, so how do we do that? So you create a record set. You already have a record set, this one, right? So
need to say that is open.
they are not checked. Okay. So what is cloudlabs.ml? Cloud. Okay, it's coming. Okay. So I'm deleting this record set. Okay. So now you cannot have simple as well as weighted as well as multiple router. You have to select one of the routing policy in a hosted zone. Okay. Now suppose I'll create another record set, cloudlabs.ml. Okay, I'll go for alias. I'll go here, instead of simple I'll select weighted. Okay. Now I'll say you select my, so which two regions? So Ohio and Mumbai, right? I'll say Mumbai, you route my traffic 80%. Weight I'll give 80. Okay. Set ID key I'll put up say 80% to Mumbai.
This one is something like comment or like
Comment. Yeah. Is you can put my name also, it will work. So I'm not putting this one. Okay. I'll show you in the next one. Now create. So 80% of my traffic goes to Mumbai, and I'll put another record set. I'll say 20% of my traffic goes to Ohio. Weighted. Put 20. Okay, 20 weight. Say 20% Ohio. Okay. Now this we don't have control. Route 53 has a control. Okay, so you need to use it and see like when traffic is for him, it might, because when there is huge traffic, then only you will know the difference. Okay, that's one analyzer. Now let's go and just see. This is one is Mumbai.
It should be written that.
Welcome to home page.
Not written. It is in Mumbai.
Mumbai?
Why I have mentioned?
Okay. So this is Mumbai. So Mumbai 80% is going. Okay. So now it is going here. Keep on refreshing. So it will, the Route 53 will manage it. Okay. 80% of the traffic it will go to Mumbai. 20% it will go to here. You might check in your laptop also, check cloudlabs.ml, but you are using same method, right? But dumps. Check it anyway.
Cloudlabs.ml.
Check it in Mumbai. Mumbai coming first.
Mumbai.
Got this one?
Everything is going to Mumbai.
90% I put to Mumbai, so most of the traffic should go to Mumbai. 20% of traffic will go to Ohio. That is as per my policy. Okay. So fine.
He is checking Mumbai.
It's very practical.
So this is clear weighted routing policy. Now let's delete this record set. Okay, let's go to the other routing policy. Create a record set. Another is again latency. This is not under our control completely. So Route 53 will see if your Mumbai is getting a little more network latency. The network latency is high on the Mumbai data center. It will move to Ohio. 2 we will give it. So it will see where latency would be high. It will shift to another one. Okay. So that is not under our control. So Route 53 will control it, but we have to configure it similarly only. Go alias. You select. Say one is Ohio. And set ID, so create it, sorry, then you create another record set, import here, Mumbai, latency, Mumbai is your AP, South 1, right?
You deleted previous record sets.
Yeah, you have to delete it. You cannot keep together. Either of the one of the routing policy you can do with the master record set.
What's the delete alla policy?
Cache रहते हो. It will take some time. When I change it, it will take some time to sync. You can always go to this one, simple DNS. This type simple DNS. Okay, trace route. To check whether your route is working fine or not, just put your site here. Cloudlabs.nl. It is resolving, right? It is resolving to both of your servers, one load balancer, right? So that is pointing to both. You should get. Then it is coming.
It's from that time it's continue.
Sometimes happen here. It will pointing to the other one. Checking mobile, it should come. So we have to give some breathing period, okay, for it to sync. 5 minutes at least. Yeah, it's coming here. Okay. See, Mumbai. Okay, yeah. It's switching. Okay. So now let's go to our next routing policy. This is clear. Concept is simple. Okay.
Ohio कौन जाऊँगी? Ohio को जाऊँगी कौन पे?
जाओ चित्र जाओ. सत्रह जाऊँगी. Fine boy. Think so. Okay, so we'll connect to our old mobile. We'll fall back to our self-service classic load balancer. But it's working. It already fall back or what? It came. I think current came back. I think. Fine.
Route 53 will work without internet.
So now we studied simple. We studied weighted routing policy. We studied latency based. Okay. Now.
Latency is through regions, no?
Huh?
If Mumbai is having some latency, it will switch to another region.
Yeah. Automatic.
हाँ मुंबई टा डाउन करे दिख लेगा.
Set next time देखिए. So that will go check by failover. Okay,
Completely done.
failover will intentionally make our load balancer down. So let's see, we'll see whether it is going or not. Okay. So what here we have to do, we have to create a health check. Okay, and you have to associate the primary with a health check. So from health check it will know that okay it's failed. Then it will fail out to the secondary. Okay. So before going and doing this, let's create a health check. So here the health check is there. Go here. Create health check. Okay. Something. Health check. I'll be monitoring an endpoint. I'll be monitoring a domain name. So you put it here your DNS endpoint for your load balancer. Where is your mobile load balancer? Okay. So Ohio I am putting it as my primary, okay, because it is here. So I have to go switch to Mumbai. So Ohio I am putting as a primary. So I am creating a health check for Ohio. Okay. Here in Route 53 I have created a health check. Name of the health check is this one. That's an endpoint. So the domain name I will be giving it here. Okay. So your path is index.html, right?
But that is where for two servers.
So what I'm doing, Ohio is primary. So I'm creating a health check for Ohio.
Yeah, but like path.
The load balancer endpoint I have given for Ohio, right? In the domain name.
So path is index.html.
Web server అక్కడ లొకేట్ అయింది కదా.
But for two servers, if we have different name, what will do?
For different name. No issues.
I mean, comma or some colon or will.
No. Okay, I got your question. So what we are trying to do is here, we have a primary, we have a secondary, correct? So my primary is Ohio, and putting secondary is Mumbai. At any point of time, primary should be running. Now when Ohio goes down, then only it switches to Mumbai. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a health check for Ohio.
No, like my route is like in the load balancer there are two servers. Two servers are targeted at same path. CD where both are having similar name.
You cannot have that.
Index.html.
See, what is the point of load balancer then? It has to be equal.
Okay.
Your instances are identical. Otherwise, there is no point of load balancer.
Instances should be identical.
There is no point of load balancer. Why is load balancer two different? One the Oracle server and
Got that.
okay. Clear? Now go next. So want to create alarm, don't want to create any alarm. Just create an health check. Okay. It will take some time to come up. Okay. Now it is showing healthy. Okay. And this is the health check. Okay. Now I will be using this health check to integrate and configure my routing policy. You can just like that also can create health check and keep it for any routing. There is no hard and fast rule for only failover you will be using it. Just normal health check you can create and keep an alarm. So if your health check fails, all your alarm triggers, you get a ticket, your site is down. You can do that. So what I'm doing is I'm going inside cloudlabs.ml. Okay. What I'll do is I'll create cloudlabs.ml. Yes. Go here. I'll select failover. You select primary. Okay. So this is my primary. So I'm putting my primary as Ohio. Just loading. Okay, Ohio. Now evaluate with target health check. Okay, associate with health check. So put the health check name. So we created an health check, right? So come here. Web server SC. Okay. This is my health check name. Create it. What is the second rule? Slowly adding internet. The second is Mumbai. Okay. For secondary, I'm not putting health check because anyway, primary when it fails over secondary will come back. If you want, you can put it.
So like when secondary fails, it should go to primary.
Hmm?
Like that.
Yes.
When primary fails, it is going to secondary.
Automatically it will happen.
Yeah, when something happens to secondary.
When primary comes up, it will again come back. Because always your target should be primary, right? Sorry. Select your secondary, okay? Okay. Now let's give it time.
Just charging is
Hmm?
24.
The brought up not like one.
I think this one will come to that.
So Ohio is your primary, okay? It is going to Ohio. Okay? Keep refreshing, it will go to Ohio only. Okay? What is this blue one?
Blue one is Ohio.
Oh, load balancing, right? So orange and blue is my Ohio, right?
Pink and green is Mumbai.
Wait, wait. Network is slow, when a cash ticket I know it's mobile check. Okay, so now it's in Ohio. Let's do a replicate a failover, okay? We'll go to our load balancer. Okay, Ohio load balancer. I'll remove both the instance. Okay. Now let's do. Internet is very slow at the first time. Sorry. Basically, instance you have to take it down. So because your load balancer is up and running, right? So load balancer is anyway up. So it is not mapped to any instance. So I'll shut down the instance, okay? Now also it is out of service. I want it.
Yeah, for me Mumbai is coming.
Okay. Why is there now? Let's in service. We'll go to instance. Okay. Check in your phone, man. My phone is crashed. Check in your phone.
From the Vodafone signal only gone.
Hmm.
Yeah, came back again.
I just catched this.
Pink is Mumbai.
Hmm?
Pink is Mumbai.
So Mumbai is coming?
Yeah, pink and yellow. Yeah, fine. Only it is coming.
Successfully fell over. Okay. Your site name is cloudlabs.ml. Oh, now it is coming in here. So, okay. Now let's take this instance up. This is what? Mumbai, right?
Yellow pink.
It is still not come in service, the Ohio one. So once it comes in service, it will take. How much parameter you have given, man? 10 into 20. Okay. Fine. So you got the concept, right, of Route 53? Soumya? Clear? So we're going step by step up. Okay? So then the next thing we're going to learn is networking. So networking will take a normal class. Then we'll do VPC. After VPC, I'll give a intensive scenario. Okay. So you guys, there will be load balancer, there will be EC2 private. Some you restrict this, restrict that. Put your database here. Full-fledged scenario. Then you implement it. Then you have to give. I'll tell you, put your EC2 instance in private. Okay. Your load balancer should be in public. To you, I'll give that. Okay. Scenario. He's already completed, right? So you in that scenarios, for you I'm telling the scenario. Okay, you will have VPC. Okay, when you create in two availability zone. In one availability zone, you create one public subnet, one private subnet. Second one also you create one public, one private. In private subnets of the both availability zone, you launch your EC2 instance.
Okay.
Okay, your load balancer should be in public subnet.
Okay.
There should be a jump off server.
Okay.
From jump off server only you should connect and access the load balancer traffic. There should not be direct connection to the EC2 instance from anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, this you do it. Show me.
Two available zones, two public. One is public and private. One is public and private. In public, you have to install EC2 instances in two. Then again, I map into that two instances in one load balancer.
Actually, for our Bayer client, they did like this only. From jump server only, we were able to access those.
In production, they will give a jump server. Who will give you EC2 instance? And for every EC2 instance, you allocate one public IP address. Public IP address are charged hourly basis. So that's a costly solution. That's a foolish solution. So we have to have one instance having public IP address. From there you connect, there you jump up to other guys, other instances. Jump, like you will have in a production, you will have Citrix one jump server. From there you can log into other instances in here. That is jump up server or a bastion host. So we should do that. Bastion host. BASTION host. So when interview ask you, can you create a bastion host and do it, then you should not get confused. So bastion host and jump up server are both same.
Never heard that word.
So this is clear, right, guys? So we will go through.
Why are you asking? Why?
Pink on Mumbai.
We have blue color welcome.
Yeah?
Blue color welcome.
That server I should not know. We need to turn on HTTP.
Just shut down Mumbai. Yeah, phone with camera.
Oh man, I have
Shut down instances also.
Yeah. I stopped the instance, right? So that's why I'm seeing it. Why it is not coming?
Now turn on instance, turn on HTTP.
That will automatically start.
Now check config you give.
CSK config if you give.
Oh.
Instance you have to go and log into your instance and start the HTTP once again. Because check config you don't give now, in the report it will not come. Check config HTTP on, both you give.
Maybe that scenario also. Could be the code name.
VPC Ranjit.
Record it in WhatsApp somewhere and send it to me. Or
Give me your mobile phone, I'll draw it.
you are recording also. It is smart.
Ranjit or not.
Aliva.
Check config means what is that check config?
So that when you reboot your instance, the service should automatically come up. Like in Windows, you will have option, right? Manual. Go to services.msc. Windows run. Windows R. Windows R. Okay. Services.msc. Services.msc. Microsoft Services Console. Okay. In each service, you just right click and see properties.
IP change ହେଇଥିବ ନା ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ରିଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରୁଛି
Setup type manual ଅଛି automatic ଅଛି but automatic କଲେ କ'ଣ ହବ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ reboot କରୁଛ automatic service ଗୁଡ଼ା start ହେଇଯିବ same thing in Linux if you want that you have to give check config service name on
Command.
command
These fellows are still recording.
Better option.
it's simple one VPC
Okay.
okay
IP change ହେଇଛି
VPC name is
refresh
Ranjit
ମାରୁଛି
VPC okay inside Ranjit VPC two availability zone
Okay.
AZ1 AZ2
Okay.
in AZ1 you have a public subnet one private subnet
Okay.
in AZ2 also you have a public subnet and a private subnet
Okay.
you create your one EC2 instance in private subnet AZ1 one EC2 instance in private subnet AZ2
Okay. They both
should be mapped to a load balancer in any one of the public subnet
These are okay.
any one of the public subnet okay
Only
you create,
private separate. Right.
and you create a bastion host jump off host and you restrict login to your EC2 instance only from the bastion host jump off server you create in any of the public subnet and you restrict the traffic should only be connected from that current means if you want to connect to EC2 instance you have to go log into the bastion host from there you can log in from anywhere else I should not be able to log in the game is in security group
So in the access list, I need to give
access list okay
the
I'm telling you right
table.
routing table you have to configure that's okay but the game would be in the security group how tight I'm trying to make your security tight
No need to give that SSS line.
this is 00 input you can log in from anywhere right
it's like colorful
Bro, record bro. Okay, keep it.
In SSH, maybe only the jump server IP we should put.
no maybe may not be
I didn't get them there.
yeah so that's why but
We came also.
So okay. Is it 2, right?
Data available.
Okay. Now here EC2 1 public, EC2 suppose 1 1 2 private, EC2 2 1 public, EC2 2 2 private.
Route 53.
Okay.
Out of service level.
Now you will have your one load balancer. Okay. Load balancer can be in any public subnet, right?
Yeah.
You got a load balancer, ELB, which should load balance your private.
No public.
Your private, because in your private only EC2 instance is there.
Oh.
Okay. This is my public subnet. This is my private subnet.
Okay.
Private. So this is my private. This is my public.
Orange.
Correct. Now here my outside user is there. Your site www.x right? Now what I'm going to put another instance, okay? Either in here or here. So first chain host DH and putting okay? Jump up server. So here only you should able to connect here. Private. Okay. This is the scenario.
This guy you don't need to run.
This guy can only communicate to my ELB. ELB traffic. From ELB load balancer you should be able to take the traffic of both.
दोनों सेम जगह.
Got it, right? So security group. The game is in the security group. So try, okay? I will
End that. Screen recording ended.